In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI to create landing pages for Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main control area for your store, where you manage products, themes, apps, orders, and pages. Once you are on the Shopify login screen, enter your store credentials and continue into the dashboard. After the admin area loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Starting from the correct admin dashboard is important because the landing page you create will be connected directly to this store. Now that you are inside Shopify, look for the Apps section in your admin menu. This is where Shopify keeps the tools you have added to extend your store's functionality. Open your Apps menu, then find and select eComposer. This app is used to build custom pages, and in this case, it will help you create a landing page with the support of AI. After you click it, wait for the app interface to fully load before moving on. This gives you access to the page builder and the AI tools you will use in the next part. Once eComposer is open, look for the option to create a new page. Select Create New Page to begin building from scratch using the tools inside the app. At this point, you should see page creation options, including templates or AI-powered design features. Choose an AI-generated template if one is available, or use the app's AI design assistant. The goal here is to let the AI create a strong starting point for your landing page instead of manually designing every section from the beginning. Next, you will need to give the AI clear instructions. Enter prompts that describe your brand, your product, and the layout you want for the landing page. Be specific, but keep the prompt easy to understand. For example, describe the type of product you are promoting, the style of your brand, and the sections you want to include on the page. You can mention whether the page should feel modern, clean, premium, friendly, minimal, or bold. You can also describe the kind of layout you want, such as a hero section at the top, a product highlight area, benefit sections, and a clear button for visitors to take action. After you enter your prompt, let the AI generate the page structure, copy, and suggested imagery. This may take a few moments, depending on the app and the complexity of your request. The AI will use your prompt to create a draft landing page that includes text sections, layout ideas, calls to action, and image suggestions. This is not meant to be the final version right away. Think of it as a strong first draft that gives you a foundation to refine. Once the AI-generated page appears, review each section carefully. Now you can customize the elements so the page matches your brand. Start with the text and make sure the wording fits your product, your offer, and your audience. Then check the buttons and update the button text if needed, so the action is clear. You can also adjust colors to match your brand style, including background colors, text colors, and button colors. These small changes help the page feel consistent with the rest of your Shopify store. As you customize, keep the overall purpose of the landing page in mind. The page should be clear, easy to scan, and focused on guiding visitors toward the main action. You do not need to rebuild everything from the beginning. Instead, refine what the AI created so it feels accurate, polished, and aligned with your store's look and message. When you are happy with the design, copy, buttons, colors, and overall layout, you are ready to make the page live. Look for the Publish button inside eComposer and click it. Publishing makes the landing page available on your Shopify store so customers can visit it and interact with it. After publishing, the page is no longer just a draft inside the builder. It becomes part of your live store experience. And that is all there is to it. You have logged into Shopify, opened eComposer, used AI to generate a landing page, customized the design to match your brand, and published it live on your store.